Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. So guys, we are back with the new and biggest opportunity for all of you, and this time it's coming from the Flipkart. Flipkart just launched the 7th edition of Flipkart GRiD, and in this video we will discuss who all batches are eligible for this and what all are their hiring rounds, and also what you will get if you guys will participate in this. So keep watching this video till the end, and also if you guys have any questions or any doubt about Flipkart GRiD 7.0, just paste that in the comment section and I will try my best to find the answer of all of that and try to give you response within 24 hours. Apart from that, I am also creating one Telegram group where you guys can come and discuss about this Flipkart GRiD 7.0, what all questions you have and what all questions all the rest of the candidate have. You both can come on a group and discuss about that. Okay, so with this, let's start in the video and understand the entire process of the Flipkart GRiD 7.0. So now we'll see what all are the eligibility criteria and what you will get if you will participate in this, and try to watch the video till the end because जो भी previous 6 तक edition में था, the entire process has got changed. Okay, so try to watch the video till the end and understand the entire process of this hiring round. So now if you will see here, this time it is a solo participation and it's open for all engineering student. Okay, now first see what you will get if you will participate in the Flipkart GRiD 7.0. So if you are coming from a third year student, means if you are a 2027 grad, then you will get an opportunity about an interview for the summer internship role. If you are a fourth year undergraduate, means you are coming from a 2026 batch, then you will get an interview opportunity for your winter internship and full-time interview role. Okay, now after this GRiD will get over, the top 6 team will eligible to get their prizes, basically the cash reward of Flipkart. So this time two teams will get the first rank, 2 teams will get the second rank, and the same two teams will get the third rank. Now if your teams come in the first rank, then your team will get prize money of 1.5 lakh, and if it's come in the second rank, then your team will get 1 lakh, and for the third rank is 50,000. Now see what all batches are eligible for this round. So if you are doing your degree in B.Tech, ME, M.Tech or MS, then you guys are eligible for this. Apart from that, if you are currently in your batches as 26, 27, 28, 29 and doing your bachelor's or master's, then you guys are eligible for this. Okay, now see what all rounds are there. So if you go down, it's mentioned that after you submit your application, the first round is your screening. So based on your resume and all, they will go under a screening process, and once you clear screening round, then they will send you the coding link, the coding assessment round. And in this round, they will give you 3 coding questions which you have to attempt in 90, and आपको जो भी पॉपुलर कोडिंग लैंग्वेजेस है लाइक C++, जावा, पाइथन, वो सब आपको वहां पे मिलेगा, एंड यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दैट एंड यू हैव टू सबमिट दैट आंसर, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट आपका कितना मार्क्स उसमें आया है और कितना कट ऑफ है, बेस्ड ऑन दैट दे विल सेंड यू द थर्ड राउंड विच इज केस स्टडी बेस्ड कोड. Okay, what you have to do in this round, Flipkart will give you the business problem statement, and mostly it will be around e-commerce. So you guys have to pick that and you have to come out with your solution for that. Okay, and you have to share the code also. So whatever code you you will write to solve that problem. You have to submit that in this round. Okay, and once this round will complete, and in case you will able to make it till the grand finale, then in grand finale the Flipkart will choose 48 top candidates, and for the top 48 candidates, they will invite them to their Flipkart headquarter, which is in Bangalore, and at that place they guys will tell you to create a teams of 4, and after making the teams of 4, they guys will give you whatever you have submitted, whatever the code base you have submitted. They will tell you to go live with this and show the demo to us, and from there they will find out their top 6 teams. 6 team means 24 candidates they will shortlist from that round, and they all will get the prize money and everything. Okay, now after the round 3, who all able to clear all the coding round and all, based on that they will shortlist you for your interview opportunity for summer internship, winter and full-time. Okay, so these all are the exactly entire process of Flipkart GRiD. Now in case if you guys have any doubt, just feel free to add it in the comment, and I will try to reply back to all of that. Okay, and now don't compare Flipkart GRiD 7.0 with the previous edition, because this time it's entirely new process. Okay, so try to go there and sign up as soon as possible, because Flipkart give the decent base pay and CTC, and also the stipend for their internship and full-time role. Okay, so with this I am wrapping up this video. If you guys have any issue, feel free to ask in comment. Thank you.